Meanwhile, at the same meet, UTEC's Emil Gordon won the men's 400-meter invitational in 47.57 seconds to get the better of MVPs Roshane Simister and Marcus Hutchinson. Shantoy White of Denby High recorded the fastest time in the Class 1 boys 400 meters. White captured Heat 1 in 48.80 seconds, ahead of JC's Jaden Clement in 49.70. Johannes Carty, also of JC, was third fastest overall, posting 49.73 seconds to win Heat 5. Romario Gibbinson of St. Jago with 14.04 seconds just got there ahead of JC's Tafari Levi, 14.06 to win the Class 1 boys 110-meter hurdles. Sean Palmer of Veer Technical was third in 14.08 seconds. Greater Portmore won the Class 1 boys 4x100-meter relay in 42.75 seconds ahead of St. Andrew Technical. The other team in that event, Veer Tech, did not finish. Now, on the female side, UTEC's Hannah Charles won the 400-meter invitational, clocking 54.16 seconds to finish ahead of MVPs Janelia Joseph and UTEC's Annalise Brady. Heidel's Clamoya Robinson won the Class 3 girls 80-meter hurdles, clocking 11.67 seconds to beat St. Jago's Shanice Williams and Heidel's Ariane Nelson. Ferncourt High won the Class 2 girls 4x100 meters in 48.02 seconds ahead of Stats and Mount Alvernia High School.